Doc, how is the surgery going so far?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. We just finished around 1800 grafts, so we do the final calculations, and then I might need just to step in for 10-15 minutes to finish the rest. All right, so yeah, patient is pretty comfortable. It's a little bit more challenging today because the combination of no shave procedure with what we call the celebrity FUE. So I left the donor area much longer, so it takes a little bit more intricacy to harvest these grafts one by one, but we're getting the numbers and the recovery time and the way why do we do a little bit longer, because it takes much less time for the donor area to look back to normal. So in 3 to 4 days, patient will look like almost nothing happened.
Are you listening to anything while doing this surgery today?
Yes, I'm still on this 48 loss of power, and yeah, it's kind of a book of what they call the self-development.
Did you learn anything new?
No, I'm already too old and too wise, but it's kind of good to reinforce things.
Thank you. Doc, what are you doing now?
Yeah, that's my quick lunch. See, I'm trying to be on a diet, so I'm eating this strawberry yogurt. It's like a little pieces of yogurt, dry yogurt. Trying to keep it healthy as you get older. I have no choice.
Does it help with energy for surgery?
Yes, yes. A lot of energy because I'm done about 50% of the procedure. Everything is harvested, ready to go for the part 2.
Girls, how are you doing? How are you after the first time of the surgery? I mean, part.
Well, better now that we just have lunch.
Oh, understandable. And
I really
it's first day today for you, right?
Yeah,
How do you like it?
I really like.
Okay, girls. Not gonna bother you. Bye.
Everything went really well. Patient is resting now in the hyperbaric chamber. It takes about an hour and a half to get him to 2.5 atmosphere pressure and then bring him back to the surface. It will provide enough oxygen till the next morning for ensuring a quicker recovery and minimize any postoperative discomfort. And he's going to be back in the morning for his next hyperbaric session. I'm back in my office working on some stuff, and thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow.